Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2012 Subaru WRX STI hatchback. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides, and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has a roof rack, tinted windows, the rear spoiler there, the dual exhaust. Again, just hitting those angles here for you. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Pretty dark tint on those windows. Obviously power windows, power locks. Get the condition of the seats here. It's that, not sure what kind of cloth that would be, but I don't see any rips, tears. Back seat here before we get the features up front. Again, I don't see any rips or tears. Alright, let's get those features up front here. If it'll focus for me. Focus, you can do it. There we go. We got steering wheel controls here. That there, which I'm sure you know. If you're a Subaru guy, you know what's going on there. And then of course we got the heated seats, media center there. Again, if it'll focus, I do apologize. The rain's really killing me today, guys. But the show must go on. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time, guys, far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. All you Subaru guys out there, I'm sure you know what you're looking at. So, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with BBB, and our reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale, and that's huge for us. That's huge for me. But there's the mileage there. Mileage there. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. There's that for you. As you can see, it has satellite radio if you want. Let's see about the map. There's a Navi there. Alright, I'll turn on some lights and we'll go back to the engine. There's air purring along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.